Hello and welcome to Sunset Seekers. We are so very honored that you stopped by to check out this video. If you're new to this channel, we do mostly state park campground reviews, so if you're interested in some good RV content, you should hit that subscribe button. We have plenty of campground reviews in our video library, along with how-to videos and some product reviews. So check out those videos, and thank you so much again for stopping by. Today we're here at Brushy Creek Corps of Engineer Campground. It's near our home in Hallsville, Texas. It's on Lake of the Pines. It is a beautiful, absolutely beautiful Corps of Engineer park. Very nice and shaded, as you can see. This is actually not our first trip to Brushy Creek. Our very first camping trip was here, in fact. Because it's so close to home, it's only like 10 minutes from where we live in Hallsville. Not to mention the fact that it is a great pull-through spot and real easy to get into. We are in site number E113, and here momentarily I'll give you a tour of our site and the surrounding sites right around this beautiful, absolutely beautiful, really nicely shaded campsites. Something you need to know about this camp area though, every one of these sites have recently been renumbered. So if you're looking at an outdated map, you will get a misrepresentation of the numbering of these sites. So make sure that you're looking at the current map that is on reserveamerica.com. So let's take a look around our campsite, E113, and then I'll show you around at the adjacent sites.
Brushy Creek is a very charming Corps of Engineer campground with a lot of RV and tent camping sites to offer. Now, we don't want this video to be too long, so we'll focus in on a few of those sites while giving you a good overview of what the entire campground looks like. We'll start off in area E100 where our campsite was located, followed by a bird's eye view of the swim beach and shoreline. From there, we'll take a look at the boat ramp and one of the bathhouse facilities that Brushy Creek has to offer. Next, we'll head on over to check out the tent camping sites in area T100 and the adjacent RV sites in area E200. And finally, we'll end our tour on the western edge of the park after we've shown you a few of the tent camping sites there. So stick around to the end for a brief but complete tour of Brushy Creek Corps of Engineer Campground on Lake of the Pines.